Brought to you in part by Mountain View Auto Group. Prepare for the off-road. And also by
It's the coldest hand.
So we've got a great camp setup going here. Jason just took off and he's going to do some exploring. Donald has also now just taken off and he's going to do some exploring as well of the area. I'm going to go right up just a few miles down the road where there is a section of falls that I can hike to and see what that's all about. So we're all just kind of going our separate ways during the day, and then we'll all come back tonight and fix dinner and keep this thing going. It's beautiful day today, so the smoke came and went. I'm hoping that that's a good sign for the fires that are going on over here. But today it's blue skies. It's going to be a really nice day. So come on with me and we'll see what these falls are all about. This is the Chush Falls trail. I don't really think it's that far down to the falls, but as you can tell, this is another area that has burned. I don't know at what point, but it's burned probably a while back, and it's at the stage where it's got the lots of shrubs. I see a few pines that are starting to peek through, and over here you've got a lot of them. But it'll be years before they look like that. So it's just really sad how often the fires happen over here. But it's beautiful country. Beautiful. You can definitely feel the altitude here. It's got my respiratory going up pretty good, and I think we're at like 4,000 or 5,000 feet, but I can tell the difference in that, and we're around 2,000 at least on the mountain back home. Keeping a good pace though. Doing like 3.5 miles an hour. That's pretty good. You might be able to see the waters from here. See if I can get you an angle. It looks so smooth, looks like a slip and slide. Probably wouldn't be that smooth. And it's a beautiful sound. It's just that constant white noise. The creek by our campground is just, this is just perfect, solid white noise. I've been sleeping great every night. There's something that I realized I forgot on this trip, and I will be noticing it probably later on this evening, the sunscreen. So I'm probably going to need to pick up some. My neck is okay. I think my arms are going to be a little toasted. Hopefully my face, for the most part, is alright. Couldn't do much about the arms. It'll be interesting getting back up. Looks like it's cool right there. Wow. Feels great. Well guys, I think it's going to do it for me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to hike my way back and figure out how I can climb myself back up there. Probably not going to film that because I need all my hands to do that. I think the falls here are gorgeous. If you're enjoying the video, please consider liking the video, and if you're enjoying the series and kind of where the channel is going, consider subscribing. I've got a lot more videos like this, as well as a lot more overlanding videos that are going to be coming right down the pipe after this one. And so far, it looks like it's all going to be epic. So really enjoying this trip, and thanks for coming along. Until next time, as always, make life amazing.